Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain why playing World of Warcraft within PlayerUnknown's Battlegrounds is not possible. These are two entirely separate and distinct video games, each with its own unique genre, gameplay mechanics, and development teams. They operate on different game engines and are designed for different player experiences. Understanding their fundamental differences is key to enjoying each game for what it offers. World of Warcraft, often called WoW, is a classic massively multiplayer online role-playing game. Players explore a rich fantasy universe, complete quests, and engage in epic battles. You choose a character class, develop skills, and team up with thousands of other players to conquer challenging content like dungeons and large-scale raids. It's a continuous, evolving world where your character progresses over many hours. PlayerUnknown's Battlegrounds, or PUBG, offers a fast-paced, competitive battle royale experience. Up to 100 players drop onto an island, scavenging for weapons, armor, and supplies. The play zone shrinks over time, forcing confrontations. The ultimate objective is to outwit and outlast all other players, becoming the sole survivor or the last team standing in an intense, action-packed match that typically lasts around 30 minutes. Due to their fundamental differences in genre, design, and technical architecture, there is no method to play World of Warcraft within PlayerUnknown's Battlegrounds. These games are distinct products from different developers, each offering a unique and engaging experience. To enjoy both, you would simply play them as separate games on their respective platforms, appreciating the unique fun each one provides.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.